The Russian Federation inherited a huge navy from the Soviet Union. However, due to chronic budget shortages and even oblivion, much of the Soviet inheritance fell into disrepair during the 1990s. After President Putin came to power, the Kremlin embarked on an ambitious naval modernization program that involved deep refits as well as entirely new designs. The development strategy of the Russian Navy, which is a harmonious combination of new submarines and smaller surface ships, is supplemented with a number of old ships of large tonnage from the Soviet era, but upgraded with new equipment. Here are the 5 most powerful warships of the Russian Navy today. At the top of the Russian Navy's power is the Petr Velikiy cruiser of the Kirov class. Commissioned in 1998, the Petr Velikiy remains the largest surface combatant ship in the world and serves as the flagship of Russia's Northern Fleet today. Petr Velikiy is equipped to the teeth. It is armed with 20 P-700 Granite cruise missiles, anti-submarine missile systems, several different surface-to-air missiles, and 10 533mm torpedo tubes. And yet, Petr Velikiy continues to be more heavily armed. According to some sources, Petr Velikiy has been equipped with the S-400F Naval Air Defense Missile System and the 3M-22 Zircon hypersonic cruise missile. Regarding submarines, NAIA's Vladimir is the first submarine of the Boreal class, which is an upgraded version of the Boreal class nuclear-powered strategic submarine. NAIA's Vladimir entered service in 2020, and the Russian Navy is expected to add 6 more Boreal submarines by 2027. The Boreal-class submarine is substantially smaller than the iconic Typhoon-class submarine, which it replaces. But Boreal is faster and has more power. The Boreal-class submarine is armed with the RSM-56 Boulevard ballistic missile. This is a submarine-launched ballistic missile variant, developed from the Topor M intercontinental ballistic missile, considered the pinnacle of Russian missile technology. In terms of strategy, the Russian Navy still follows the philosophy of the Soviet Navy, based mainly on the strength of the nuclear submarines carrying strategic missiles. The Kazan submarine of the Zircon M class represents Russia's next generation of nuclear-powered cruise missile attack submarines. Kazan was the first of the Zircon M class, a more powerful upgrade than the original Zircon class. It is expected that by 2027, 7 submarines of this class will be put into operation. The Zircon M-class submarines are significantly quieter than Soviet submarine designs. But the difference of Zircon M is in its diverse and dangerous arsenal, especially Russia's new caliber M cruise missile, with a range of up to 455 kilometers and compatibility with the 3M-22 Zircon hypersonic cruise missile. Regarding surface ships, the Russian Navy continues to put its trust in cruisers from the Soviet era, including the missile cruiser Marshal Ustinov, belonging to the Slava class. Marshal Ustinov was designed with the philosophy of destroying aircraft carriers, similar to the Kirov class cruisers. The cruiser Ustinov has recently been upgraded, especially the sensors and weapons. The P-500 Bazar anti-ship missile system has been replaced by a more modern P-1000 Zircon cruise missile, capable of destroying enemy surface ships at a distance of up to 600 kilometers. Regarding air defense, Ustinov is equipped with 40 air-to-air missiles, improved from the 9K-33 OSA short-range surface-to-air missile system. Ustinov is also equipped with a naval variant of the S-300 air defense missile system, consisting of 64 missiles, arranged on 8 launchers. About the latest surface ships developed under the Russian Federation is the Gremyachi class corvette, which is developed from the Steraguchi class. Gremyachi is the lead ship of very large multi-purpose vessels of the Russian Navy. Gremyachi is equipped with very powerful weapons, inherited from its predecessors. Gremyachi is also the first warship to be equipped with an SL UKSK vertical launch system, which can launch Caliber and Osnix cruise missiles, as well as being compatible with certain hypersonic cruise missiles. The Gremyachi corvette is the latest weapon in the new naval procurement doctrine of the Russian Navy, focused on modernizing rapid response forces, including smaller submarines and surface ships. My video about the Russian Navy ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.